Ready, friends? Uh-oh, markers up, Peter. Let's write the word
Pirate flag.
got. Got.
Hey, there's
Oh.
go hiding in it. If you take away the T, it's go.
Markers up when you've got it. Markers up. Good job, Brantley. Let's take that little tail off. Okay, markers up.
And that was it.
Take a good look at it. Peter, no thank you, just once. Okay, take a good look at it.
Why does the marker keep
Go
going
ahead and
on
erase.
my hand?
Let's erase quickly. Markers up. You need to erase so you're ready for your next word. Markers up. Let's write the word R. It has 3 letters. R. Markers up when you've got it. The A comes first. Good. And then an E at the end to make it look right. Can you make this with a lowercase a? Markers up when you've got it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Good, Peter. All right. Sophia. Kathleen. All right, friends. Let's do one more. Let's do the word you. Go ahead and erase it.
Dad, we already did that.
Oh, you did that earlier before I got here.
Let's do no.
Let's do,
No.
let's try. I'm going to give you a really tricky one. Can we try like? Like.
Let's like.
Like. Say it slow. Like. Good. Markers up when you've got it. Good. Oh, you're almost right. The K has to come next. Like. And then what goes at the end to make it look right?
Yeah.
That's right. Beautiful. Markers up. Take a good look at it with your eyeballs. Take a picture. Get it in your brain. Okay, go ahead and erase.
Broken.
Let's see if we can do it in 5. And 1.
Done.
Okay, boys and girls, you read the story The Forest yesterday, Brantley. Remember? And so I'm wondering if you can tell me a little bit about, oh no, you didn't read. Did you read The Forest yesterday?
No.
And so today is day 2 of In the Forest, right? Perfect. Okay. So yesterday you read In the Forest. Who lives in the forest? Can you tell me 1 or 2 animals that you learned about that live in the forest? A bear, yeah. Who else lives in the
A fox.
A fox. Brantley, do you know who lives in the
A
forest?
deer.
The deer, of course. Yes, Sophia, who's one?
Second. I saw second.
You want to peek at it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Raccoon.
Yeah, he was in our book, wasn't he, Peter?
Can I peek? Oh, I was gonna say raccoon.
Is that the guy you were going to think of? I love how his little tongue is sticking out. See that? Let's read this page together. So it's a learning book.
I
Oh,
see
wait.
a raccoon. I see a ready
If
transformer
you can hear my
raccoon.
voice, touch your nose. If you can hear my voice, touch your shoulder. If you can hear my voice, touch your belly. Boys and girls, this is a learning book. We're going to learn all about the animals that live in a forest. Let's read this page together. Remember Brantley, my movie star. You're going to learn about who the author sees, and then the author will tell you the name of that animal. So that's how the book is set up. Peter, are you ready? First, the author's going to tell us who he sees. It says, you can join me. I see a raccoon. Thumbs up if that's true.
In the forest.
Thumbs up. Very good, Peter. Let's do the next part. In the forest. Yep. So what he sees, and then they always name it for you, right? Let's try it on one more page. Are you ready, Brantley?
Only one more ticket left.
Can you fix your body? Put your feet on the floor. Sit up nice and big and tall like someone who's going to be a first grader very soon. Here we go. We'll tell what we see and then what its name is. Ready? Peter, we're here. I need your help. I see a turkey. Ooh.
In the forest.
Here we go. In the forest. Okay, you're going to use your whisper voice and your reading finger. Peter, can I have you scoot way over here so you're just not so crowded? Thank you. Okay. Remember, we're gonna pretend like that's not even here. In the forest. Take your arm out of your sleeve because you'll need it to hold your book down.
I see a chipmunk. Squirrel.
How did you know this didn't say chipmunk?
Because it was reflecting.
How does it start? That's right. Squirrel. Good. Try it out again now that you fixed it up.
I see a squirrel in the forest.
Do you think it's woods or forest, Brantley?
What's
Look at that first
forest?
letter. Yeah, good checking.
I see a deer
Point under.
in
Point under.
the
With your pointer.
forest. Miss Snyder,
Mrs. Barnett.
Mrs. Barnett, I like to kill these.
You do? Oh, man.
My
Use
grandpa.
your reading finger.
I see a bear in the
Make sure you're looking at the edge. Who's in the book? This guy's a raccoon.
I see a turkey
Keep going.
bear. Squirrel, raccoon, fox, deer, turkey.
I like how you got all done. You're starting again
Bear.
right away.
Whoa.
Start here.
I see a turkey in the forest.
All right, readers, go ahead and close your books.
I just got one thing.
And I want you to tell me, what is it like in a forest? What's it like, Brantley? What's it like in a forest?
I don't know.
What do they have lots of?
Birds.
Oh, let Brantley do that work.
Transformer bears or something.
I wish, that'd be cool, but that's in pretend land. How about in for real land? What do they have a lot of? Not Transformers, they have a lot of, do you know? They have a lot of
Bears.
They have bears. They also have a lot of trees and bushes, maybe a river. Look at, this looks like the forest you know, right?
That's like a baby deer.
Sophia, what do they have in real forests?
A deer.
They do have deer, yeah. Birds, trees, sticks, acorns. Is he eating something? Maybe a seed? What did you want to say, buddy?
An acorn.
Yeah.
There's lots of dirt.
Oh, yeah. Dirt.
And puddles.
Rocks. Pine needles. Now you guys are thinking about the forest. Can I show you one thing and then we're going to write about the forest? Let me just show you one thing. Will you help your friends, Brantley, with this really cool part? Brantley was so smart. He said, look here, Sophia. Are you ready, Peter? He said, sit on your pockets so they can see. Brantley, sit on your pockets, and then you can be the teacher. Sophia, he said, I see a chipmunk, because he looks a lot like a chipmunk. Brantley, can you teach your friends how you figured out it said something different?
I see a squirrel.
How did you
I
know?
said squirrel.
Brantley, tell your friends how you knew.
Because it starts with a S and a Q.
Yeah, it says squaw. The first part is squaw. That's right. I have another
It's
quick
sort of
question.
Like squash.
Yes, it starts like that. Brantley, have a seat.
Hey, that says fox.
Here's what I want you to do. Take a big deep breath in.
I should throw
Brantley.
away.
Brantley, can you take one more big breath? Oh my. No, thank you. Okay, Brantley, that's a straight one for you.
Do I should stay over here?
Yep, you stay over on this side. Brantley, I have one more quick question. Friends, how do we know this doesn't say, I see a fox in the woods? That would make really good sense.
But I have to do it over there.
Can you tell your friends how you know this doesn't say woods? What do you need?
Let me read it.
Okay, how do you know it doesn't say woods?
Because
Oh wait, Sophia's gonna do this one.
N the foot.
Yeah, how do you know this doesn't say woods?
Because it doesn't have a. It doesn't have a W.
That's right, it doesn't start W. Very good. Okay, we're gonna do some writing, okay? Okay, go sit down. I'm gonna get your
I
writing
know a
journal out.
sentence. I got it. I got a marker.
Can you open up to your
Roger.
first empty page?
Roger. I got the middle one because I skipped some.
Okay. Go to your first empty page. We're gonna write about what it's like to live in the forest. Brantley, you're almost done, buddy.
Pseudo.
Okay.
home. Wait.
What can we say about the forest?
I see a deer. Can we say I see a deer?
We could say
Or I see.
a deer in the forest. Okay, let's say that all together.
I got one.
Go ahead.
A
Sit down.
raccoon.
I see a raccoon in the forest.
That was kind of cute.
Yeah, that was my favorite page. Okay, did you find it, Brantley? Choose quick. There we go. Okay, hold your page. Good job. Hold your page. Did you find it, Brantley?
I went to a middle one.
We're gonna say, let's say it all together first. We're gonna plan. Ready? Get your fingers ready to plan out your writing.
I
wait for me. We're gonna let
a deer.
Bentley join us. Oof, got it? Okay, hold it down with one hand. Here we go. I see a raccoon in the forest. One more time, we're gonna plan out our writing. I see a raccoon in the forest. Are you guys ready?
say deer?
You can say deer. Here we go. I see a raccoon. Get started.
How was I supposed to write the one?
Get started.
I thought this was a red pencil.
In the forest. Can you touch with your eraser? What are you gonna write? Touch with your eraser. Good. I see a raccoon in the forest. Good. Get started. Get started. I see a. Those first three words are fast, easy words, Brantley. I.
Okay, I need the book.
What word are you looking for?
Forest.
Can I help you? Do you know the part that says or? You're almost right. It's O-R. For. Est. So you need three more letters. Watch Mrs. Barnett. Est. Which one do you want to fix up? Which letter do you think you could make look even better? Yeah, I'd pick that one too. Bless you. Okay,
This one.
good. I agree.
I wrote it.
Good.
Period at the end.
In the forest.
I see a raccoon. I would draw a little deer. Can you borrow a book?
Good job.
Raccoon.
Raccoon. Okay, find the word raccoon. Raccoon.
No.
Hey, buddy, can I help you?
Yeah.
What two letters say ooh? Good, that looks better. Now do a slow check on raccoon.
I drawn a little deer.
with your
This is
finger.
Barnett. Look, I drawn a deer.
Nice. Okay, turn the page and write who else you would see in the forest.
Hey, I need a book.
I want you to do a slow check first and figure out what comes at the end of raccoon. Use your finger.
Guys, it's a long word.
It is, and I'm going to help you. Put your finger underneath raccoon. Here we go. Beautiful.
Now I need two C's. It's too loud in here.
Okay.
Now I need two
Sophia
C's.
said it's too noisy. Can we use our whisper voice?
Now I need two C's.
Now look here. Bentley.
I
see a raccoon. Now we're all done with raccoon. Now you need the word in.
Here at the raccoon. The book.
It's Mrs. I need the book. See what comes next.
You're all done with raccoon.
I don't think. It needs two C's.
Oh, you are so smart because you have a picture of this word in your head, don't you?
Yeah.
Instead of the T, you could put the two C's if you want it to look the way it would in a book.
Hey, this is the raccoon.
Can you read me your story?
I see a raccoon in the forest.
Good job. Who else would you see in the forest? You can write your own on the next
I don't know.
page, like a deer or a turkey.
I need to read mine to yours.
Make your paper.
I see a deer in the forest.
Yeah. Can I show you something about
Hey,
deer?
How about I see a fox in the forest?
Let's do it.
I
I see a fox in
what
the
the-
forest.
Please help me.
Okay, let's see what we're doing here. I see a raccoon in a forest. What else do you hear?
It's in.
What do you hear? Forest. Good.
Oops. And
That's okay.
erasing it.
Good job.
Okay.
And the stop sign. Beautiful. Can you read me your writing? Beautiful.
I see. Now it's supposed to stop.
Forest.
You're gonna write the word stop.
Yeah.
You don't have to, because this is how they'll know.
Did it.
Good, you may line up, buddy.
Did it.
You wrote a lot about the forest today. Can you read me this
We're
quick?
not leaving.
Bentley, can you point and read?
I see a raccoon in the forest.
Hey, can you just fix up that F and then off you go? It looks just like this, buddy.
Okay.
Okay.
A raccoon.
Can you read me your story?
I see a raccoon in the forest.
Can you show me the word C? Where's C? Where's the...
On the way down.
Which one says raccoon? Look closely and find the one that says raccoon. Check it with your finger.
Raccoon.
Is that raccoon? Reread to decide.
I
Oh,
forgot.
just a second, honey. I need you to reread, Sophia, to see if you can find the one that says raccoon.
Raccoon in the forest.
Which one's raccoon? There. Look, honey, it starts R. See that?
I see
Raccoon. Which one's this, Sophia?
in the
Sophia. Which one is this?
forest.
Yeah, because it starts like fish. Okay, you may get in line. How do you feel, buddy?
Good.
Good. I could tell that you really wanted that to look exactly the way it did in the book. Yeah, you had a nice picture of that one in your head.
Look at that.